Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jessicajaj, and on this channel we do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, and shop with me. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. So I might look a little different today, you guys. My eyes are a little sensitive, so I like wearing my blue light glasses when my eyes are kind of like irritated and red. So today we are actually going to hop into Homegoods and Target, and then at the end I will share a haul and let you guys know what I think about what we saw at Homegoods and Target. So if you guys want to come shopping with me, then keep on watching. All right, guys, we're back. So what did you think about HomeGoods? What do you think about some of the items that I shared? I felt like they really did have a couple of really good pieces. To be honest, I'm kind of being really careful right now with the decor pieces that I'm picking up because I really don't need anything at this very moment. I'm actually getting my coffee table later on this week. So I'm gonna kind of play around with the stuff that I already have and then kind of fill in the pieces after I see what fits and what doesn't fit. And then let's talk about Target. I was actually a little disappointed that they didn't have everything. I was really looking forward to seeing the arch in person, which is a total CB2 dupe. So let me show you what I picked up. I have a very small haul. Like I said, I'm kind of being careful with what I'm getting, and I want to wait until my coffee table gets here before I get any decor items. So I picked up just really some items that I actually needed. You know, it's summertime, we're entertaining, or you might just wanna, you know, chill in your backyard. Lighting is everything, no matter where you're at. If you're inside, if you're outside, lighting is key. And I actually had some flameless candles, but they're not for outdoors, so they totally melted in the heat. So I picked up these. These are actually outdoor safe. They're plastic and they are, I thought that it said that it was waterproof as well. Yep, waterproof, sunproof. And then another item that I got, and I'm actually glad I picked this up so I can show you guys, but I actually get a lot of questions about my candles behind me. A lot of you guys wonder if they're real and you know what length I get. The candlestick holders are actually from Crate & Barrel. I'll link those down below if you guys are interested. And then the candles are real, and I normally just pick up a pack like this. This one's by Sand & Fog from places like HomeGoods. This one was $7.99 and it comes with 8 candles, so pretty much $1 a candle. So yeah, this one is by Sand & Fog. I like Sand & Fog. They have really, really good candles. They're always at HomeGoods. The throw is really nice with those candles, and they really do have really good scent, and they're very inexpensive, so that's why I like Sand & Fog. And I believe they are soy-based candles, and they're made in California. All right, so that is the shop with me. That is the haul. As always, definitely give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the shop with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.